Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to add color to your drawing using the fill tool. So let's get into it. And as you can see, we already have our drawing already inked. And before you add the colors, you want to make sure you ink your drawing and make sure the gaps close. Next, we're going to go over to the top right hand corner and click on the two sheets of papers. This will bring down the layers. So now we could go over to the layer right here, the ink layer, and we go and click on it, and then you can see it bring up this list here. But what you want to do, you go and go down and you go and click on reference, because without having your ink layer set to reference, you would not be able to fill. Okay, so next we go and click on the plus icon to create a new layer, and make sure you position this layer below the ink layer, because this is what we're going to use to fill in the colors. Okay guys, so now we go and head to the top right hand corner again, but this time we go and click on this little circle icon. Once you click on this, you can see bring up your palettes. But you guys might not have any palettes listed here, but we have a video where we show how to create palettes, so we will either leave a link to it above, or it might be at the end of the video, so feel free to check that out. Okay guys, with that being said, we just go and scroll up, and right now we're just looking for like a color I could use. I think this lightish purple will work perfect for the shirt, so I just go and grab the color and just drag it onto the shirt. And oh, you see, I kind of fill in a little bit of the neck there, and that was like, you remember when I tell you guys make sure when inking the gaps close, you could see the gap not closed there. So we're going to go to our ink layer and fix that. And we could add in some folds under the armpits, because you know, why not? Okay, cool. So now we could head back to our color layer and we could select the disc, and that's the other thing, you could use the disc to select your colors. There are different options down at the bottom where you can see we're on the disc. And we just gonna go here and, you know, find our lightish purple again, and now we could drag it back onto the shirt and see what happens. And yeah guys, it filled how we wanted it to fill. So always make sure the gaps close whenever you're inking, so that way it's easier to fill in the sections you need to fill in. So now from here guys, the filling in process, you know, adding in the colors is really straightforward. All you have to do is select whatever color you need, either from the disc, or if you have a palette created, and we just go and drag it onto the different sections or the different parts of the character. So as you can see, we kind of looking for like a grayish type of color for the pants, and we go and just drag it onto the pants right here. And then we also go ahead and select a purple color for the design in the middle of the shirt right here. Alright, awesome. And like I said before guys, this part pretty much straightforward. You just add in and drop the colors in the different sections that needed. And for me, there's the best part. This is the best part in the drawing process. Like the inking part, like if I didn't have to ink, I wouldn't be inking. But the inking part, especially if you want clean lines, oh my god, it's up here. The sketching part is the fun part. Like I just go in there and, you know, I quick when it comes to sketching, but when it comes to inking, guys, when it comes to inking, you don't know, because most of the times we time lapse through the inking. The inking process, oh my god guys, it's up here. It's up here. And for the coloring process guys, you already know you could select whatever color you want. And you could see we almost completely done with filling in the colors, but you guys select whatever color you want, have fun, you know what I mean? Don't feel like you have to select a particular color I'm using. If you want the character skin to be red, blue, green, whatever color, you could do that. And that's the cool part about art in general. You have the freedom to do what you want. Like you could create whatever you want. Somebody might not agree with the color choices you use, but at the end of the day, is you free to do whatever is your art. So yeah. Alright guys, so we finished adding in all the colors to our drawing, and I ain't gonna lie, our character here, she looking good. But you guys already know we couldn't just end it off just like that. We always have to have a bam, And there you have it, guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.